Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this short video, we're going to talk about how to budget for long-term financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education, it's important to have a plan in place to reach your goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your long-term financial goals. The first step in budgeting for long-term financial goals is to define exactly what those goals are. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it. Be specific and realistic. For example, if you're saving for retirement, how much do you need to save and by what age? Write down your goals so you can refer to them later. Step 2. Determine the cost of your goals. Once you have your goals in mind, it's important to determine how much they will cost. Do some research and figure out what the price tag will be. This will help you determine how much you need to save each month to reach your goals. Step 3. Evaluate your current expenses. Now that you know how much you need to save, it's time to evaluate your current expenses. Look at your monthly spending and identify areas where you can cut back. This might mean eating out less, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or finding ways to save on utilities. Every little bit counts. Step 4. Create a budget with your goals and expenses in mind. It's time to create a budget. Start by listing your monthly income and then subtracting your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and insurance. Then allocate funds towards your long-term financial goals, as well as any short-term goals you may have. Be sure to leave some room for unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. Step 5. Stick to your budget. The final step in budgeting for long-term financial goals is to stick to your budget. This means tracking your spending and making adjustments as needed. It can be helpful to use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to keep track of your expenses. Remember, the key to reaching your long-term financial goals is to stay focused and committed. That's it for today's video on how to budget for long-term financial goals. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.